All right, to simplify a compound fraction like this, you need to find the least common denominator of the numerator and the denominator. And there's really only one fraction inside here, which is that one. So x plus 3 is what you need to multiply the top by and the bottom by. When you do that, make sure that you distribute it in. Now right here, I'm not going to distribute. I'm just going to leave the bottom like that. But up here, distribute it in. Right? When you distribute that in, you're going to get x times x plus 3. Right? When you multiply that one right there. And then when you multiply this one here, the x plus 3's cancel. So you're just going to get minus x. All over, don't FOIL this out, just leave it factored. And now simplify this top. So that top, distribute the x squared plus 3x minus 1x all over x plus 2, x plus 3. Now I can add these together. So that's x squared plus 2x all over that same thing that was in the bottom, which then factors the top. You can factor an x out like that, right? And you're going to have x plus 2 and x plus 3 on the bottom. And that's why we didn't FOIL that out on the bottom, because we want to cancel those two out. And your answer is just x over x plus 3. So that's your answer. That's your simplified answer. But you also have to state that x cannot equal -2, because right here when you canceled it out, you canceled out an x plus 2, which means that, if you remember from rational functions and graphing, which means there's a hole in your graph. So you're not allowed to have negative. You're not allowed to plug -2 into this. That's a restriction on your domain. So you should also state that instead of just being done with it.